Drawn by the moon. In the silence of space, the Orion spacecraft drifts forward, illuminated by the harsh light of the sun. Behind it, a waxing gibbous moon rises into view, ancient, scarred, and quietly powerful. Dominating the scene is the Orientale Basin, a colossal impact structure stretching nearly 600 miles across. It marks a dramatic boundary. On one side, the familiar near side of the moon, covered in dark lava plains, and on the other, the hidden far side, rarely seen from Earth. Captured during the Artemis II lunar flyby, this view reveals more than 2/3 of the moon in stunning detail. Just northeast of the Oriental Basin lies the Grimaldi Crater, a dark, circular feature filled with ancient lava. Its heavily worn rim tells the story of billions of years of impacts and erosion. Every detail here is a reminder. The moon is not just a distant object, but a record of cosmic history. A closer look reveals the intricate structure of the Oriental Basin. Its concentric rings spread outward like ripples, frozen in time, evidence of a massive collision that reshaped the lunar surface. Scientists study formations like this to better understand how planets evolve under extreme impacts. Within the basin, smaller craters stand out. Two of them, informally named Integrity and Carol by the crew, highlight something remarkable: real-time human observation contributing to scientific discovery. In another breathtaking view, the moon appears suspended in darkness, silent and timeless. The Oriental Basin once again draws focus, its dark center formed by ancient lava that broke through the crust billions of years ago, a violent past now preserved in stillness. These images are more than just photographs. They are a bridge between humanity and the cosmos, revealing not only where we are, but how much more there is to explore.